Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat story is not showing the views. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now this might be because of your stories view settings into your Snapchat. In order to solve this issue, just simply open your Snapchat application into your phone and after that click into your Bitmoji icon, and from there just simply go to the setting by tapping into this gear icon into here, and after coming into setting you just simply have to scroll down until you see the option of view my stories into privacy control. Click into view my story, and as you can see here you will get the option of friends only and custom, but many people also have the option of everyone. Now into here, in order to get the views into your story, you have to change the privacy setting into either everyone or friends only option, and after that your Snapchat stories will be seen by the public and you will get the views into your stories. By following these very easy steps, you can easily solve your issue. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.